So, OpenAI is about to drop something huge, its latest AI model, codenamed Strawberry. And guess what? It's arriving way sooner than anyone expected. Originally set for a later release, it looks like it's now going to hit the scene within the next 2 weeks. In this video, we're going to explore everything you need to know about this upcoming model, what makes it stand out, and why it's bound to change the game. We'll look at how it's different from the AI models we've seen so far, like GPT-4. We'll also get into the technical side of things, looking at how Strawberry will fit into the ChatGPT platform and potential changes in pricing. But it's not all smooth sailing. There are challenges that Strawberry might face, and we'll take a look at those too. And trust me, you'll want to stick around until the end, because we're also going to talk about some juicy rumors about future features that could take Strawberry to the next level. What is Strawberry? Now, let's start with the basics. So, what exactly is Strawberry? OpenAI's newest AI model, Strawberry, is all about improving problem-solving and thinking skills. Unlike the older models like GPT-3 and GPT-4, which gave quick answers, Strawberry is designed to take its time. It spends about 10 to 20 seconds on each question, which may seem slow, but there's a good reason for it. Strawberry takes longer so it can really think about the question and give a better, more accurate answer. Instead of just being fast, the goal is to make sure the response is smarter and more thoughtful, especially for complicated questions. OpenAI designed Strawberry to focus on quality over speed. This makes it perfect for things like healthcare, legal work, or education, where being accurate is more important than being fast. For tasks that involve many steps, like solving tough math problems, writing business plans, or coding, Strawberry's slower pace can be really helpful. It thinks through each step carefully to give better answers. Strawberry will be part of OpenAI's ChatGPT platform, but won't replace the other models. Instead, it will be an option you can choose depending on what you need. If you want quick answers, you can use a faster model, but if you need something more detailed and thoughtful, you can pick Strawberry. We don't know all the details yet about how it will be available, but it looks like you'll be able to choose it based on the type of work you're doing. Whether you're solving a tricky problem or working on a complex project, Strawberry might make things a lot easier. Pricing. Now, let's talk about pricing. Strawberries might come with a different price compared to other GPT models. It could have a payment system where you're only allowed to send a certain number of messages per hour. So, if you need Strawberry's extra thinking power, you may have a limit on how much you can use it in 1 hour. There's also talk that OpenAI might offer a special version where you pay extra for quicker responses or special features. If you already subscribe to ChatGPT, there's good news. You might get early access to Strawberry before it's available to everyone for free. This means you'll be able to try it out and see how it handles more difficult questions. Challenges. But even though Strawberry has a lot of cool features, it's not perfect. For one thing, it will only handle text questions when it launches. This is a step back from GPT-4, which can understand both text and images. So, if you want Strawberry to work with images, you'll have to wait for future updates. Some early users also said that Strawberry's slower response time might not always feel worth it, especially if the question is simple. For quick, easy questions, waiting an extra 10 to 20 seconds can feel too slow. Also, while Strawberry is supposed to remember past conversations to make answers more personal, it sometimes struggles to do this consistently. Sometimes it remembers well, and other times it seems to forget important details. One of the biggest challenges Strawberry will face is making sure the slower processing time is balanced with a good user experience. While the extra time is great for harder questions, users who want fast answers might get frustrated with the delay. If you just want a quick response, waiting for Strawberry to think through everything might feel unnecessary. But for more complicated questions, it could really make a difference. Also, Strawberry's ability to keep track of long conversations is still being tested. This could affect how useful it will be for real-world tasks. Drama and rumors. Before Strawberry was officially given its name, it was known as Q or QAR. The development of this model came with some drama at OpenAI. Just before OpenAI's CEO, Sam Altman, was briefly removed from his position last year, the Q model was a big point of debate. Some researchers at OpenAI were worried that Q was a huge step toward creating something called artificial general intelligence, or AGI. AGI means an AI that can learn, understand, and handle many different tasks, kind of like how a human brain works. The idea of AGI is both exciting and a bit scary. While it could lead to amazing breakthroughs, it also comes with risks. There's concern that AGI might grow too powerful too quickly, which could lead to some problems we're not ready for. Some people even compare it to the scary AI from the Terminator movies, Skynet. The fear is that if AGI becomes too advanced too fast, it could cause issues that nobody can predict. When slower is better. One of the key things about Strawberry is its use of something called System 2 thinking. This idea comes from a psychologist named Daniel Kahneman, who wrote a book called Thinking, Fast and Slow. He explained that System 2 is slow, careful thinking. It's the opposite of System 1 thinking, which is quick, automatic, and based on feelings. Strawberry's way of handling information is more like System 2. It takes its time, analyzes everything carefully, and then gives you an answer. This method is meant to make its responses more accurate and reduce mistakes, especially when dealing with hard problems. The STAR method. There's also a connection between Strawberry and something called STAR, which stands for Self-Taught Reasoner. The STAR method is a way to help AI models like Strawberry get better at thinking through problems. It works by using examples that show step-by-step reasoning. First, the AI learns from a small set of clear examples. Then, it uses what it learned to handle bigger, more complex data. The process helps the AI create good explanations for its answers, and the best ones are kept, while the wrong ones are thrown out. Over time, this makes the model smarter and better at giving correct answers. Here's how it works. Strawberry starts by generating reasoning for a few questions. Then, it filters out incorrect answers, and this helps fine-tune the model. The process keeps repeating, so Strawberry can learn from its mistakes and improve over time. There's also an extra step called rationalization, where if the model gives a wrong answer, it's given hints to help it figure out the right one. This way, it learns from its mistakes and gets even better. This STAR method is likely what's making Strawberry so good at reasoning. It's helping the AI think in more advanced ways, making it smarter and more effective. But with any new tech, there are always rumors. Some people in the industry are saying that Strawberry's advanced reasoning is just the start. There are whispers that future updates might let Strawberry process not only text, but also images, audio, and maybe even video. The future of Strawberry. People are also talking about Strawberry being combined with other AI models, like Orion, which could create an even more powerful system. Orion is another AI that's being developed alongside Strawberry, and it's said to be a next-generation language model that could work with Strawberry's abilities. Now, training an AI model like Strawberry costs a lot of money. To give you an idea, training GPT-4 cost over $100 million. As AI models get smarter, the cost to build them also goes up. Some experts think that future models could cost hundreds of millions, or even billions to train. This raises big questions about how AI companies like OpenAI will make sure these huge investments pay off. They'll need to show how these new models can really help people and businesses. Strawberry is clearly a big step forward in the world of AI, but whether it will meet everyone's high expectations is something we'll have to wait and see. One thing is certain, OpenAI is aiming high with this new model.